You searched for how to buy shares of MSCI Inc. MSCI Inc. provides indexes and analytics to the investment industry and trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker MSCI. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker MSCI to find the listing. Make sure you select the entry that shows MSCI on NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. On the MSCI stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the company name, the ticker MSCI, and the NASDAQ listing to ensure it is the right asset. To invest, click the Invest or Trade button, enter the amount you want to use, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. After the order completes, your MSCI position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for the link to the platform if you want to explore further.